Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and interpreting raw data to discover meaningful patterns, extract valuable insights, and make informed decisions. It involves applying various techniques and methodologies to organize and process data, with the ultimate goal of deriving meaningful conclusions. Data analysis often starts with data collection, where data is gathered from various sources and then structured into a format suitable for analysis. Once the data is ready, analysts use statistical tools, machine learning algorithms, and visualization techniques to explore the data, identify trends, correlations, and outliers, and generate valuable insights. These insights can then be used to support decision-making, address business challenges, optimize processes, and uncover hidden opportunities across various domains, including finance, marketing, healthcare, and more. Effective data analysis is crucial in today's data-driven world as it empowers organizations to make evidence-based decisions, predict future trends, and gain a competitive advantage. By transforming raw data into actionable knowledge, data analysis helps businesses and researchers understand complex phenomena and make informed choices that drive growth and innovation. It plays a significant role in fields such as business intelligence, market research, scientific research, and policymaking, helping professionals and decision-makers navigate through the vast sea of information and extract meaningful insights to steer their organizations in the right direction. Learn the basics of data analysis. Start by understanding the fundamental concepts of data analysis, including data types, data cleaning, data visualization, and basic statistical concepts. There are many online resources, tutorials, and courses available that can introduce you to these concepts. Acquire relevant technical skills. Familiarize yourself with data analysis tools and programming languages commonly used in the field, such as Python, R, SQL, and Excel. Python and R, in particular, are popular for their extensive libraries and data manipulation capabilities. Practice with real data. Find publicly available datasets or use datasets provided in online courses to practice your data analysis skills. Applying what you've learned to real-world data will help you gain valuable experience and learn problem-solving in a data context. Take online courses or join bootcamps, enroll in data analysis or data science online courses, or attend data analysis bootcamps. These structured programs can provide a comprehensive and guided learning experience, often with hands-on projects to reinforce your skills. Explore data visualization and storytelling. Data visualization is a powerful way to communicate insights effectively. Learn how to create informative and visually appealing charts, graphs, and dashboards to convey your findings. Join data analysis communities. Engage with data analysis communities, forums, and social media groups. Networking with like-minded individuals can help you stay motivated, find resources, and gain insights from others' experiences. Undertake personal projects. Create personal data analysis projects on topics that interest you. Solving real problems will enhance your skills and demonstrate your abilities to potential employers or collaborators. Participate in Kaggle competitions. Kaggle is a platform where you can find data science and machine learning competitions. Participating in these competitions can challenge you to apply your data analysis skills in real-world scenarios and learn from others' approaches. Read books and articles. Explore books and articles on data analysis and data science to deepen your understanding and learn advanced techniques. Seek feedback and learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to seek feedback on your projects and analyses. Constructive criticism can help you grow and refine your skills. Remember, data analysis is a continuous learning process, and there's always more to explore and improve upon. Be patient with yourself and stay curious, and over time, you'll become more proficient in data analysis. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.